Hello everyone and welcome. Myself Gokul. I am working as an assistant professor in the Department of Master of Business Administration in Sri Muthukumaran Institute of Technology. In this video, I am going to cover the Business Analytics subject Unit 1 as a part, which will come under the Regulation 2025 and subject code was MB25202. Let's begin our journey into the foundation of business analytics. Let's start with the introduction to business analytics. Business analytics is defined as the practice of iterative methodological exploration of an organization data with an emphasis on statistical analysis. It is used by companies that are committed to data driven decision making. In simpler terms, business analytics provides the models and procedures for business intelligence. It transforms raw data into information and finally into useful insights that guide actions. It is crucial to understand that business analytics requires quantitative methods and evidence based data for business modeling and decision making. This inherently means it involves working with big data. The field is broadly divided into two main areas, and one is business intelligence, and another one is statistical analysis. A key point to remember is that data driven companies treat their data as a business asset, actively looking for ways to turn into a competitive advantage. Um, Success here depends on three pillars. Number one is high data quality. Second is skilled analyst who understand both technology and business, and a strong commitment to using data to gain insights that inform business decisions. Now, let's look at the types and techniques of business analytics. The first type is descriptive analytics. Uh, think of a descriptive analysis as answering the question, uh, what's happening right now in the firm, like that. It involves the application of simple statistical techniques to describe what is contained in a data set. For example, imagine a departmental store wants to target its advertising. They could use an age bar chart to depict the age group of their retail shoppers. This simple visual describe the current customer demographic. Next type is predictive analysis. Uh, this answer the question what will happen next. It is an application of more advanced statistical software or operation research method. The goal is to identify predictive variables and build models that uncover trends and relationships not easily seen in uh, descriptive analysis. For instance, a company selling diet food might use multiple regression analysis to understand uh, the relationship between uh, like customer age, weight, and exercise habit on their sales. Uh, Knowing this relationship helps predict how changes in these factors might influence future business performance. Next, the most advanced type is prescriptive analytics. This answer the critical question, what should we do? It applies decision science, management science, and operation research methodology essentially applied mathematical techniques to make the best possible use of available resources. Here's an example that same department store has a limited advertising budget. Prescriptive analytics using a technique like linear programming can help determine the optimal way to allocate the budget across various advertising media like TV, online, and newspapers to maximize reach and impact. These are the questions where we have to answer like that. For each analytics, I have given the questions. Descriptive analytics, what's happening right now? Predictive analysis means what will happen next, and prescriptive analysis analytic means what should we do. Now let's look at the evolution of business analytics. Uh, this timeline shows how the focus has shifted from the technology environment to the user environment, essentially from managing data to driving business decisions. On the left, we have the technology environment, which was dominant in earlier years. On the right, we have the user environment, uh, reflecting the modern emphasis on letting users drive the business with analytics. Let's walk through the timeline. In the 1990s, the foundation was laid with the tool focused on data handling, extract, transform, and loading. Second, desktop query and reporting. And third, data quality, cleansing, and profiling tools. By the 2000, we moved into more integrated and interactive systems, online analytical processing, second, web query and reporting, business intelligence suites, dashboard and scorecards, data visualization, packaged analytic application, data integration platforms. Around 2010, the focus expanded to include governance and more advanced analytics, data management and data governance, visual discovery tools, operational BI, mobile BI, predictive analytics. By 2015, the landscape was dominated by big data, cloud, and user centric analytics like cloud BI, text analytics, big data platforms like Hive, and at the very top, simply analytics putting the power directly in the hands of users to drive business decision. Uh, the evolution has been from back-end data processing tools in the 1990s towards front-end user-driven predictive and cloud-based analytics by 2015, shifting from a technology-centric view to a business outcome-centric view. Now, what is the scope of business analytics? Where is it applied? Its scope is very wide. First scope was helping organization truly know and understand their customers. And second, managing and monitoring the organization reputations, and then improving operational efficiency across processes, aiding in financial management and planning, helping to manage waste, fraud, and abuse within systems, enabling proactive risk management instead of reactive responses, and even enhancing analytics in education for better learning outcomes. Finally, let's discuss why we need business analytics. Primarily to make strong, informed commercial decisions, that enhance business profit, increase market shares and revenue, and provide better return to shareholders. It allows for an easy understanding of complex primary and secondary data. It provides significant competitive benefit in the marketplace. And a practical advantage is that the information derived from analytics can be produced and presented in any required format, like dashboard, reports, visualization, tailored from different stakeholders. In this part, we have covered the introduction, key types, descriptive, predictive, and prescriptive analytics, along with the broad scope and fundamental need for business analytics in today's world. I hope this was clear and helpful. In the next part, we will dive deeper into other foundational concepts. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more lessons. And thank you for watching.